What's your sneaker size? Now, if you only thought of one number, then you're missing some fundamental techniques that could be the difference between you getting that W and holding that L. All right, post up with me for a minute and I'll give you what you need to get that W, man. It's Technology TV. This your boy Fresco. Let's go, baby. What up? It's your boy Fresco from Technology TV, and we back again with another one. All right, so today we're gonna talk about shoe sizes. Now, I'm gonna show you something today that could be the difference between getting a W and holding that L when you're trying to cop live on release day. And the first step is to unlace that sneaker. Now, this time we only need to unlace it to the bottom row, to the bottom lace loops. You don't have to completely take the laces out, just leave the bottom lace loops in there. Now, we're gonna get into it, all right? Let's unlace these babies. All right, so we laced down, and we ready to get into the meat and potatoes of this, all right? Now, I chose this sneaker for a reason. The Jordan 13 has a lot of room in terms of tongue lift, and this is a fundamental part of this whole exercise. Now, what you wanna do is before you lace your sneaker back up, you wanna put your foot in the sneaker, okay? Put your foot in the sneaker and then lace it back up. So what that does is fill out the sneaker a little more. So now when you lace it, it laces higher and looser. When an unlaced sneaker has a lot more left and right give. See that? And that could create a drastic change in your shoe size. Now, when you respect that give, you can go down up to a whole size. I would say experiment with half a size first and see where that gets you. So go half a size down, unlace, stick your foot in and relace, all right? It'll create a nice looser sneaker, but still firm. And it may create a sneaker that you can slide your foot in and out of with ease. Now, why is that important? If you can go half a size down and it's cop day, whether it be online or in store, now you have a better chance of copping because you have one more size in your arsenal that you know is comfortable and fits. The thing here is you have to be careful of shoe fit. Now this shoe, the Jordan 13, I go a half a size down all the time and I use this technique because this sneaker is, to me, not true to size. It's not true to size. A true to size sneaker is more narrow. So this one is a little wider. So I can go half a size down, I can use this technique and it'll still be very comfortable. You should not rely on shoelaces to keep your foot in the shoe. The shoe itself should also be keeping your foot in the shoe. So when you go half a size down and you get in there, the shoe is a little more snug on you and you have those laces just securing it in place, you know, at the top of your foot instead of you having to pull them to secure on the sides as well. And this reduces damage to the sneaker and it also reduces creasing on your sneakers. Another thing that can come out of this is it can change the way you walk in sneakers. Now, if you use a lacing technique like this, a loose lacing technique, you can lace halfway, you can lace 3/4, you don't have to lace all the way up. What that will do is create a situation where the tongue has a little more give. So when you step, instead of stepping through your toe and creasing the sneaker, you will step through the tongue, push the tongue up a little. Your heel may lift out the back of the sneaker a little bit, something like if you're wearing slides or slippers, and the shoe will pop back up onto the heel of your foot and re-secure itself. That way you don't put that pressure on the toe and crease your sneaker, all right? Now you can also do this the other way around. You can go half a size up, put your foot in and lace a little tighter, all right? So now you have 3 sizes. You should have the size you think your foot is. You should have half size down, you should have half size up. That's 3 sizes that you know you can cop on release day, all right? So if you're in a situation where you go online and you see those pairs are going fast, you have 3 chances to catch a size that is yours and you just strike. All right, you already know how it is when you wait for your size, you just end up losing. Sometimes it never shows up. So it's good to have 3 options instead of the 1, all right? Now this could also create another unique situation. This could change your shoe size. You could figure out that you were a whole different size than you thought you were before. So you may go an entire size down, and then from there you have your half size down and your half size up. So this technique can do a lot for you in terms of options and comfort. Comfort is important, all right? I just want y'all to cop like I be copping, man. Like they say, man, a pair a week makes some happy feet, all right? And if you are afraid to unlace your sneaker, because some people are, because they don't know how to lace them up, you can check this video right here and it'll show you how to lace them back up like a pro. So it's your boy Fresco, Technology TV, and as always, be easy, my G.